Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to install Python libraries in Pycharm. This is a new project I have created in Pycharm. In its main.py file I have written a simple Python program that uses Numpy, Pandas and Matplotlib. You can see red lines appear below each of these libraries because these libraries are not yet installed in this project in Pycharm. Let me also run this main.py file to show you what is the output of this program. As you can see, it says module not found error. It says no module named Numpy. This also proves that these three libraries are not yet there in this project in Pycharm. So let's install them. And this procedure is going to be applicable to each of the libraries that you want to install in your project in Pycharm. All you have to do is come to the left side of your Pycharm screen where you see these icons and hover over the third icon which says Python packages. Click on it. This is going to take you to this interface of Python packages. Here you are going to see this search bar. In this search bar, type Numpy. Now come to the right side of your Pycharm screen. Here you are going to see the install button. If you click on it, you are going to install the latest version of the Numpy library. But if you want to install a specific version of the Numpy library, then click on this drop down, select that version and then click on install. In this video, I am going to go ahead with the installation of the latest version of the Numpy library. So let me click on install. And you can see the installation of the Numpy library has begun. It will take a minute or two to install. And the installation of the Numpy library is complete. You can see that the red line beneath Numpy is gone. Now let's install Pandas. So we are going to go back to the search bar, remove Numpy from here and write Pandas. You can see a list of libraries appear over here, but we are going to choose the one with the exact name. And then we are going to go to the right side of the Pycharm screen. Here we are going to click on the install button to install the latest version of the Pandas library. And you can see the installation of the Pandas library has begun. This too will take a couple of minutes to complete, and the Pandas library is also installed. You can see the red line below Pandas is gone too. Let's install Matplotlib now. So we are going to head back to the search bar, remove Pandas from here and type Matplotlib over here. Again, a list of libraries will appear with Matplotlib in their name, but we are going to choose the one with the exact name. And then we are going to come to the right side of the Pycharm screen to the install button. Here we are going to click on the install button to install the latest version of the Matplotlib library. The installation has begun. It will also take 1 to 2 minutes to install. And the Matplotlib library is also installed. Needless to say that the red line below Matplotlib is vanished. But we are going to test the installation of these three libraries one more way. We are going to run this main.py file. Earlier, if you remember, this program threw an error, no module named Numpy. But now it must produce some output as the libraries are installed. So let's run this. Let's run main.py file. Okay, it produced this incredible chart of daily temperature and humidity over 30 days. Don't worry about it. It's all random data. It's dummy, not real. But the point is that Matplot library is successfully working. If we go back to the program, you can see I created a pandas data frame df over here. I used a head function to display first 5 rows of data. And you can see the first 5 rows of data appear over here in the console. Not only that, I used a describe function to display the summary statistics, and you will find the summary statistics in the console too. So this proves that Pandas is properly in action. And I used the Numpy library to generate random temperature and humidity values. So these values that you see in this data frame of temperature and humidity are actually generated by the Numpy library. So I showed you how to install Numpy, Pandas and Matplotlib libraries in a new project in Pycharm. By following this process, you can install any library you want in your project in Pycharm, be it requests, Flask, Fast API, Seaborn or whatever. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install Python libraries in Pycharm from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.